let's do this. I got dirt all over me now. I have a knife. Today, we're going to be unboxing the big old box right in front of me. Now, you read the title, you know what's up. You saw the clickbait. This is the surprise that I talked about in the last video or so-ish. I had a big surprise, and I was complaining about my computer. But 2 and 2 together here, folks. We got this big old box in front of us, okay? Also, another thing, boom, I got COVID-19 vaccination, the first shot. So I've been feeling a little bit woozy. Yesterday I felt like dying because I was so tired, but just simply could not go to bed for some odd reason. So, yay to me. Make sure you guys get your vaccines. There'll be like a link or something, or I don't know. I've never done an unboxing video before. My mom told me to be very careful when I open this, and I'm going to agree, because this costs more than probably my kidney. And, you know, I'm not good at opening things. I'll show you guys like a picture of how I open like cereal boxes. It's not flattering. I'm known throughout my house, like any box breaks upon opening, it's my fault because I am so bad at opening boxes. Okay. Also don't buy things a lot, so I'm not good at opening big boxes. Okay, I'm gonna make my mom proud. I'm gonna show her this video. Oh, look at it gliding. Oh, the little squeaky mouse noise. Oh, another box. That's probably what happens often in unboxing videos. There's another box. Why do they do that? Never actually unboxed something important before. I want to show you guys something as well. So, I finished my fursuit paw. I know, it's amazing. It looks a lot prettier in real life. I didn't do that good of a job on it, making it, because it was my first, like, real project. But hopefully, later this year, I'm going to be making a fursuit head as well. What is up with the lighting in this? Whoa. 1, 2, snipperoo. Let's flip you over. Chop. Itty. Oh, that's difficult. Oh, hey, I didn't even notice this on the thing. It says 1XM.2 NVMe with RGB Alienware DDR4 RAM, 14X USB, which I don't know what that means. Let's see if I can get another one of those nice, like, clean. Oh my god, call me an unboxing channel that couldn't do it better. Oh. This one's just stuck. Can you flip down, sir? You kind of ruined the whole vibe. Yeah! Cool, there's another freaking box! And we got some stuff. Read the manual, that's always fun. Alienware. Oh, by the way, this happens to be an AURORA R12. I actually don't know what I got off the tip of my tongue. I spent like 2 weeks only thinking about this, and then now my brain is just out, it's empty. So this guide tells me all about where to put my USB ports. Okay, inside, I'm gonna assume that this is the keyboard, this is the power cord probably, and this is a mouse, it would seem. So let's see what this one is. We have a baby-proof and a bag-proof keyboard, it would seem. That's pretty good. Yeah, but it's just the standard Dell keyboard. I'm actually gonna leave this in the wrapping as a backup keyboard because I got a pink glow-in-the-dark keyboard. This one might just be a tad bit cooler. Non-conflict, double-color keypad, quick response. Power cord for the thing. Okay, let's take out this pizza box, and there she blows. There she be. There she blows. A lot of stuff on her. That's weird. I'm not the only one to think that, right? When you get a big thing in a box. Ooh, squishy. It's supposed to be clean. I actually don't know how I'm supposed to take this out. I don't want to break her. Definitely not. But I should be good. Let me take her out of the box. Let's take off her fedora. So, I don't want to put her on the floor directly. Stop. I'm going to leave her on this, and I'm going to go move her to where she's actually going to sit. So, here she is. All of this is RGB. Get her up and running into gear with nice stickers. I have this one that I got from a Logitech from my headset. And I'm going to actually put it here because she is GLaDOS, my computer. So, G for GLaDOS, you know, kind of smart. I need friends. Well, here we are, folks. We are on a nice, cozy little Minecraft world of mine. As you can tell, big quality difference. Not only in the microphone, but also in the actual gameplay. You can actually see stuff, and I am not on, like, 30 FPS. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Also, with the mic right now, I don't have my actual microphone set up. I'm just talking on my my headset right now. So, this is quality. What the heck is this? Figured what the heck, I'd show you guys what the Minecraft looks like. I won't make you wait until survival video or something, but I'm so happy with this computer right now. It's running at 60 FPS. That's the first ever 60 FPS 1080p video that will ever be on this channel, and it's just, oh. Well, I don't know if the whole video, because I recorded the first bit on, like, my potato quality webcam, but whatever. Oh, also, I forgot to mention that right now my Minecraft dimensions are a little bit off. You're gonna have a smush screen, kind of. I am on a 14 by 40, and I think, like, a 800 something pixels monitor, so it's a little wonky. I'm hoping to set up, when I set up my other monitor, I'm hoping to have that all fixed so that when I record Minecraft and other video games, it won't be like totally smushed. But yeah, no worries, guys, no worries. Remember, I literally have just installed most of my apps today. It's gonna be a hot second until you guys actually see videos like this, but I am super excited. Let's check out the FPS, because I know you all want to see that. I'm getting 200 and I'd say roughly 30. We're kind of in the middle of 230 FPS. To give you a frame of reference, without OBS on and recording all this, I get about 300 FPS, and on my last computer, I was running at 30 FPS, and the encoder would overload sometimes. So, holy mother of God, is this an upgrade? Is this an upgrade? You guys might be like, oh, elephant, my computer could do that. Well, I've never had a good computer, okay? My first ever computer was a 13-year-old desktop from my uncle. I've never known luxury like this. I'm not gonna drag you guys on forever and ever. This is kind of just like a me showing you, GLaDOS. Since you watched the whole unboxing video, I mean, you did do that, right? Of course you did, of course. And you also hit subscribe and like and all that. Yeah, of course you did. Anyways, guys, yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. I will catch you all in the next video. Remember, join the village today. It's only a click away. That one I didn't break eye contact or blink. Oh my god. How do you do outros? Join the village today. It's only a click away.